Hello, welcome back. I hope everybody is doing well. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from Vestiaire Collective. It's a piece that I would say was more of a impulse purchase. They were having a kind of like a discount, like not like a discount, but they had like if you spend like over a certain amount, you got a certain amount off, and it was actually a really good amount. I actually had this item in my favorites list, so I went ahead and made an offer and they accepted and I got my discount and voila, here it is. It's fairly packaged very well. It came with the box and I believe receipt and some other stuff, but it is, I'm excited. I'm excited to unwrap this. I mean, it's fairly packaged okay. Covering up my address because again, I did a video where things were exposed, so I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this. I'm gonna see if I can do a good job doing it. So let's see. So I might need to get some scissors. Oh wait, hold on. Let's see. Oh. Ah, okay. So I don't want to damage anything. So let's see. Ooh. Oh my god. So, oh, it's bubble wrap. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna flip it around. You can see it's, I think you can see through the bubble wrap. It is a piece from Balenciaga. I have been on this Balenciaga kick. Oh, it's upside down. Like Caleb Sennell, I'm obsessed with Balenciaga right now. I absolutely love the label. I really like their earlier pieces that they did, like the Bazar bag, the triangle bag, the graffiti city bags. I really like those pieces. So let's go ahead and unbox it and show what I got. This is the first time I've seen this piece as well, and I don't know too much about it, so I don't want to like get my makeup on it. So we're going to go ahead and, oh, you guys are going to see it before me. So toss that on the bed, and let's see. Ooh. Okay, that on the bed. And let's see. Oh, it's Balenciaga paper. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. I can already see it. Look at that. I hope it's coming out good. It's the Balenciaga Bazar leather pouch. I believe it's what it's called. It comes with a double zipper. So I'll go ahead and open it up. Double zipper. Ooh, that's a nice zipper. So I'm going to put it up like this. And it goes all the way down on this side. My camera cut off. I'm not sure where I was at, but I believe I already showed the little leather tab that it comes with, the little like sample piece. Oh. Okay, maybe that'll be better. Okay, through that whole unboxing, I did not realize I didn't have my ring light on. Again, I don't wear my glasses, so I was going through it all blind. But I'll go ahead and start over like a little bit of where I was at because I just realized I didn't have my thing on, so I hope it comes out better. So this is the front of the pouch, but again, double zippered. It comes with just a small pocket in the back, which I love. It comes with the little leather tab, the cards, the like the care card and everything that comes with that. And again, there it is inside. It is so beautiful. I love it. It zips all the way down. And again, on what side is it? Is it on each side or is it just one side? Oh, each side is gusseted, so it has a little bit, can have a little bit more room. There is the Balenciaga tag, as well as you flip it underneath. It has the date code, made in Italy. Yeah, there's not too much. It's a fabric lining, which I love. And again, what I absolutely liked about this pouch is that it has the gusseted pockets on each side, which I didn't know. Again, I didn't really know too much about these Bazar pouches, but it's a good size. I can fit a lot of stuff into here. I'll do a video of what fits. And I believe if I need to stuff it, again, it has the gusseted pockets, so, but when you do close it, it does, like, those gusset pockets, like, go flat again, so, but again, it's double zipped, so I can always just fill it up and then stop this zipper here and have this gusseted piece open. Ooh, that was thunder. Wow, so it got really dark outside, so, which I still can't believe I didn't have my ring light on, but okay, that's okay. But yeah, so I can leave this gusseted side open and this side will be flat and I can just stuff it full of things. Ooh, I don't know if you guys heard that. Yeah, so I don't know, it's probably gonna get real ugly out there real quick, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video short a little bit. But yeah, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm happy I got to get it for a good price, and yeah, definitely I'm gonna be using this one in the, I might use this tomorrow. Like, this would be cute. It's cute with this outfit. I really like it. It's really, really nice. Cool. I'm happy with this piece. Yay. But yeah, I'm trying to beat the rain over here. And that was my unboxing and reveal of my brand new to me Balenciaga Bazar leather flat pouch. I think I got that all right. And I hope everybody is doing well. I hope everybody's safe and everybody is happy. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And definitely, I will see you guys next time. Bye.